beaker and flask both measure in volume. The units used for both the beaker and the flask are milliliters.
This is a beaker. It has a wider neck and a little spout. The flask has more of a narrow neck and a cap.
If you break a beaker or a flask, you need to notify your teacher right away. The beaker and the flask each cost $5 to replace.
Okay. Some tips for not breaking beakers is that make sure you know where the beaker is so that you don't accidentally knock one off of the table, and make sure that you don't move them from extreme heat to cold temperatures because they have a possibility of breaking.
Because there are two numbers on each side to measure from, you have to know which number will give you the proper measurement.
How much water is in this beaker? If you thought 400, it's wrong. You always measure from the right side of the beaker, so it's 600.
How many milliliters of water do you think is in this beaker? If you said 700, you were wrong. It's always red on the right side, so it would be 300.
Basically, just remember that a flask has more of a cone shape, and that a beaker is more wide with a spout. They both measure in milliliters, and you should always measure to the right. Also, always be careful because these are made of glass, so they can break.